that was a task and a half, just gonna say. So now I have a bigger mission coming my way. As I told you guys, Ben came up to grab me, and I am going to show you what we are going to be dealing with next. I tell you, I don't think we'll get out of the kitchen for the rest of the day. Nopers, dopers, so let's come see. Here we go. Boom. Did I say boom or did I mean boom? Yes. We have fridge door, freezer door, everything to go with it because this is broken. We've had it for a long time, and with the kids pulling on it and everything else, well, you know, here it is. So we're gonna put the new doors on it. I'm gonna clean out inside, get it all situated, and have you guys come along with me while I do that. So it's a pretty long day. Sorry if this is a little bit of a longer vlog, but I really appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. So stay tuned because it's just about to get more crazy. Sorry guys, I had to charge my phone. But as you see here, we are switching out the doors. Well, Ben did. I just cleaned them, made them look all pretty.
They were left to right, now they're right to left.
Correct. So we ended up swapping the handles because if my daughter had more access on the other side to the fridge, we'd be in trouble. So, as her room is right beside the kitchen.
For now.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. So I am going to clean off the rest of the stuff and get the fridge all situated, and I will take you guys along while we do that. But first we gotta get it all together first, so bear with us. Stay tuned, guys. Alrighty guys, let me show you what I'm working with right now. We got the fridge doors all on. They're good to go. I cleaned behind it, I vacuumed behind it, cleaned it. Now we are dealing with the aftermath. Yes, when I say the aftermath, this all has to be done now. Plus, if you come out here, oh, look at that. So much more. So much more. So, yeah, that is our mission. So, let's get to it. You ready? I'm ready. You ready? Comment below and let me know. Breaking things, just breaking stuff over here, guys. It's all good. All good. It pops back on. I'll show you in a minute. It did not break, I promise. Any purchase with all our freezer stuff, you know what I'm saying? And there's still a bunch more freezer stuff out there. I gotta go grab my cleaning bag to wipe all that down as well. Alright. One down. Got it. We're getting there. Now I already cleaned the doors and everything while it was out there, so I just gotta clean the inside and put the rack in there as well.
Drink. Make me thirsty.
Need one too. And the juices were leaking. Yucky juice, like ooh, good. I'm just taking a damp cloth and going over it. Pop this baby in and start getting everything back inside the freezer. Here we go. Now getting everything back in is going to be so much different now that we have the upper shelf and the lower shelf and both the racks on the side. Ooh. Wow, we're upgrading in life, guys. Look at us go. Got these buttermilk chicken breast pieces.
Oh, I forgot we had those. We got a pizza pocket?
Yeah.
Is it any good?
Yeah.
I'll eat it.
Okay.
I'll eat it later.
I can throw it in for you. Pogos. Pogos. Pogo. Kids come home after school, pop one in the microwave, and they are good to go. Yes, please. You guys are yelling at me in the camera, telling me to put it somewhere. Just comment, let me know, and I'll probably rearrange it again. Most definitely, likely, absolutely. Ben and I don't drink, like, very rare occasions, but this is like almost a year of having it. My girlfriend gave it to me for my birthday, and I think I had like 2 or 3 drinks with her, and I was just, whew, I was feeling good. We were feeling it. So it's definitely something that just sits around in our freezer for sure, unless we have people over and they want a nice local drink. Yada yada yada. Oh yeah, the countertops, but I'll show you guys. It goes right back in. We got these at the dollar store. I absolutely love them. I am going to use them for a different space in our house for storage. Yes, please, because we need it in our lives. Oh my god, I think we're finished the freezer. So, uh-oh. No, what'd I do? Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Now the fridge. You don't want to look. Oh gosh. You go in and then pull out. Ugh, don't do too fast. That was intense.
We'll just get rid of it.
And now it will. I was wondering why it kept like.
Trick is, you can use anything white filler. Put it on the end of your finger. Gone. Gone. That's what the professionals do. Y'all think that your homes have no issues. Everything's got a plug where it's supposed to be. Everything's trimmed out where it's nice. I'm behind the scenes guy. Can't show my face. Because due to confidentiality reasons. But yeah, your stuff is everywhere. Not the way you want it. Nope. Oh no, they saw me. That's a pizza pocket.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cold.
If I catch it in time. Hey. All right. Yeah. Work in progress. You're gonna see me moving lots of stuff back and forth, don't mind me. Just because I'm just seeing where it's all gonna fit and finagle. I don't know, ever since I got sick, I started checking dates on stuff because I mean, I had really bad food poisoning. It was not something I enjoyed at all. Dude. Okay, so we got new shelves as well to put in. I'm gonna probably have to get Ben to put it in after cleaning up the fridge here. wasn't sure if they had to go probably in before or after, but we'll figure it out. Probably you're screaming at me going, that doesn't match, but I get it. I know. I'm so sorry.
These ones?
Yes, babe. Don't get your hopes up here. Okay, now go.
Now you did it.
Hey! We're getting there, guys. You still with me? Thanks for staying with me. I know I haven't really been talkative today, but can you tell? I've been kind of focused in on this Christmas. Ooh, na, 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 na. You love both onions. Let's get all the peels. I try to stick them only in one area, one drawer, so that when they're done, I can constantly clean them out and get everything resituated. Why do I have a lot of onions? Well, I have no idea. And then I make it decent. Funny, funny, funny. Okay. Oh, I have the door on wrong. Don't be breaking stuff. Don't be breaking stuff. Okay. This is gonna be so much better. I'm so excited, can you tell? I'm so excited. Oh boy. Been there a couple days, so they're good to be going. Going. We're getting there, guys. We are slowly getting there. Really? Is everything? Awesome sauce. That's awesome. Alright. Perfect. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yay! Alright, here we go. Freezer is complete. Fridge is complete. And looking very, very good. So I'm very happy with the outcome. Like uber goober happy, I'm gonna say. So I gotta finish cleaning up this kitchen, but it's gonna be a rigmarole. So since this video has been carrying on very, very long, I am gonna let you guys end it here and snap back in maybe a couple days and see what we have come up with everything else. But stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing more spring cleaning. And always remember, you're kind, you're beautiful, and you're amazing. Never forget it. Truly, please never forget it. Honestly blessed to have you guys around with our little journey of ours. Like, you're coming along with us every single day, so we're truly blessed to have you. And until then, I gotta continuing on, but I'm gonna let you guys go here. So I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Have a wonderful time. And always remember, guys, until next time, I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining our channel.